In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a vacuum pump on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the side of the engine in the engine bay. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and make our way to our engine bay. We have the engine cover right here and our charge pipe. Right below it there is a 10mm bolt. We're going to remove that. So now that it's broken free, I'm removing it by hand. We set this aside. Now we're going to follow up along the charge pipe and locate our fitting. There's one metal clamp, just pull this out. I'm using a flat blade screwdriver. Now it's free so I can pull the charge pipe up and out. Set it aside. And now we have access to our vacuum pump right here. On top of it, there is a T25 screw holding this hose down. We're going to go ahead and remove that. Now I'm going to use a magnet to lift the screw up. Set it aside. Now we can lift up and remove our hose. Now I'm going to take some special needle nose pliers to remove the fitting from the hose. Just clamp down on both sides. And remove the fitting. Now to remove our vacuum pump. It is held in by three 13mm bolts. So break them free and remove them by hand. And here's our last bolt. Now we're going to pry our vacuum pump away from the engine. Once the seal is broken free, just remove it. And there it is. Now we're going to get a rag to clean the mating surface and to stop any oil from leaking out. If you still find oil to be leaking, just stick a piece of rag in there for now. Now I'm going to remove the old gasket material using a scraper. Now that our surface is prepped, we're going to go ahead and clean it with some brake clean. Now to install our vacuum pump. Quick note on the pump itself. On the mechanism you have these two tabs for installation. Try your best to align it with the camshaft. As you can see, it's pointing to the top right. So my tabs are to the top right. I'm going to move our rag. And just push in our vacuum pump. If it's not fully seating, just realign your tabs. Now to install our new bolts. These came supplied with our vacuum pump, so we're just going to hand thread them on for now. Now we're going to go ahead and snug these down. Now to torque our bolts. Our first pass is going to be 132 inch-pounds. Our final pass is going to be 216 inch-pounds. So our new vacuum pump came with the vacuum fitting already installed, so we're just gonna reinstall the line. Just push down until you hear a click. And make sure it's secure. Now to reinstall our charge pipe on our throttle body. Just gonna slide it over, push down and resecure our clamp. Just push in. Make sure the whole assembly is secure. Now for our 10mm mounting bolt for the charge pipe. Just gonna hand thread it on for now. Now I'm gonna snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.